Here's a quick review of the Akko Jelly Blacks. Just like the Keychron box inks, these linear switches come with box stems, and one benefit of that is they don't wobble as much. The housing of the switches are tight, so I don't really think you need to film this. Before you all ask me, no, there's no interference with cherry profile switches. These are lightly factory lube. Re-lubing them with Krytox 205G0 does make a big difference, and here's what they sound like factory lube and re-lubing. So the Jelly Blacks are clacky switches, and honestly I prefer them stock. Well, at least on my Keychron Q2. That's because I kinda got addicted to its clackiness and how poppy the stock ones are. I'll recommend you all to try them both yourself, and also take my sound test and opinion with a grain of salt. All in all, I think these are really great clacky switches. Typing on them feels great as well. It's really nice. A little different from a lot linears, the Jelly Black reminds me of typing on a tactile switch. Probably because they have a long spring. Not too sure how to explain this, but you'll know when you try. Once again, thanks for watching my short review, and I'll end it with a sound test.